Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chavi Joshi and I basically make daily vlogs. Along with this, I like to make reading content because I like reading and I like to share my experiences with you too. Today's vlog is basically going to be about my reorganization of books. So here's the thing. I like my books and I like to take them everywhere with me. If you guys don't know, I'll just tell you that my house has two floors, which is the first floor and the second floor. So basically, my room is on the second floor. But during the summers, I shift downstairs and मेरी books ऊपर है. I don't like it that way. I bring all of the books downstairs so that I can put them in front of my eyes. We're gonna bring all of the books down and then we're gonna place them on this table जहाँ पे मैंने अभी कैमरा रखा है. And we're gonna reorganize all of our books. But before that, we have to clean this area because यहाँ पे सारा cosmetics का सामान रखा है. And I have to move all of this and I don't know where I'm going to put this. So let's just not yap and let's get started with the video. So these are the shelves that I'm thinking to put my books upon. I don't know how stable these shelves are, but फिलहाल तो हम यहीं पे रखेंगे. Let's see. But look at the mess on this table right now. इसी table पे हम बाकी की books रखेंगे because of course I have a lot of books and they're not going to fit on the shelf. So I have to put them down. And the amount of mess that I've created here is to be clean. So as you saw, this is a very messy area right now. So the first thing on my checklist is to clean this area because if I don't clean it, I can't put my books upon it. So let's just get started. Finally, it's time to clean this messy area. It took me forever. I mean, इतनी गंदगी पता नहीं मैंने कैसे मचा दी होगी, but इतना ज़्यादा time लगा इसको clean करने में. But finally, when it was clean, I was so satisfied to see the cleanliness. Okay guys, so as you can see that I have cleaned the table and अब पूरा table खाली हो चुका है. All of the things are kept on the bed and I've cleaned the rest of the table. So now I'm going to put some newspaper on this so that my books don't get dirty. Clean all of these and then I will be placing the books onto the table. But first मैं rack साफ कर देती हूँ because वो चीज़ पे हम पहले रखेंगे. उसके बाद जो remaining books होंगी उनको यहाँ रखेंगे. Yesterday only I decided that I wanted to set my books downstairs along with me. तो मैं सारी books जो है एक एक पाइल करके उठा लाई थी कल. ये सारी मेरी books हैं. यहाँ पे 4 piles बन चुकी हैं. अभी एक book missing है इसमें. बाकी ये सारी books है that I own and now I'm gonna take them inside. Now I have successfully transferred all the books to this table and I'm going to be segregating these books on the basis of genre. And I'm thinking that ये जो shelves आपको दिख रही हैं इसमें मैं अपना TBR रखूँगी and the books that I've read already are going to be placed on the table. As you can see, I have arranged all of the books according to their genres and these are all the rom-coms. These two piles, wait, let me just change my angle. These two piles both are thriller books. इतनी सारी thriller books, मतलब मेरी majority में ये thriller books ही है. These are all my fantasies books and these are some random childhood books. अब सबसे कम मेरे पास fantasy है और सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे पास thrillers हैं. एंड रोम कॉम्स आर इन द मिडल बट मेरे पास फैंटेसी बहुत कम है. बेसिकली अब मैं अपनी बुक्स को जॉनरा के हिसाब से सेग्रीगेट करूँगी. आई लाइक टू ऑर्गेनाइज माई बुक्स इन सेंस ऑफ जॉनराज. एंड अब एक बहुत भयंकर एक्सीडेंट होने वाला है. येस, आई ड्रॉप्ड ऑल ऑफ माई बुक्स. लिटरली आई ड्रॉप देम एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ गिल्ट आई वॉज फीलिंग आफ्टर ड्रॉपिंग देम वॉज वेरी मच बिकॉज आई एम रियली सेंसिटिव टूवर्ड्स माई बुक्स. एंड अगर उनको बिल्कुल चोट पहुँचती है तो मुझे भी चोट पहुँचती है. एनीवेज, लेट मी जस्ट नॉट याप एनी and you can see the time lapse. So now I have set up all of the books. These are my TBR, which are to be read books, and these are all the books that I have read. But अब ये तो हमने लगा लिया है, ठीक है? I will be showing you all of them. as I've told you, on my shelves I've put my TBR, and यहाँ पे सबसे नीचे हमने रखा है कुछ bookmarks, some highlighters that I use on my books. This is the blind shit challenge. If you haven't watched the video, I'm gonna link it right over here. And there's some tabs also, more bookmarks at the back, and my AirPods. After that, we have our thriller genre. This is TBR. Again, I have put this according to the genres. This is the thriller genre. Again, more thrillers. Then we have a mix of rom-coms and fantasies. And then we have fantasies. So this is what we have on the shelves. Now if we talk about the table, these are all the books that I've already read, starting with the thriller genre, moving up to the fantasy genre, then the rom-coms. And we have a little cosmetic corner here where we have put all of our lipsticks. And then this is my makeup pouch. That's the blush. And then a few bits and pieces here, like some rubber bands, some additional earrings, some bracelets, a little hair clip section over there, my hairband, and my lashes, and a little more cosmetics. Then here, इस चीज़ में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. There's nail polish. These are all of my perfume. This is the sunscreen section, the moisturizer section, hand cream. This is heat protectant which I use, और ये अभी ख़त्म होने वाला है तो मुझे ये भी ऑर्डर करना है. Some cotton pads, थोड़ी बिंदी अगर हमें कभी यूज़ करनी हुई, and again more cotton pad and some earbuds. And then we have my jewelry stand. So this is basically a tree which I bought I think 2 or 3 years ago. इसमें हम सारा का सारा jewelry जो है लगा सकते हैं. तो I've also put the bangles here and some necklaces and some earrings. Then we have some additional creams and some moisturizers over there. So this is all the thing that I have organized today, and this took me a lot of time because I had to clean as well. Not only did I have to clean, I had to also arrange all of this. और cleaning में ज़्यादा time भी गया. अगर cleaning नहीं करनी होती तो कम time जाता. So yeah, that was the end of the video. If you liked this video, please give it a huge thumbs up because आप लोगों का feedback ही मुझे बताता है कि आपको मेरे videos पसंद आ रहे हैं या नहीं. And do let me know any type of videos. If there's any specialized video you want to watch, please put it in the comment section क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए वो video बनाऊंगी. So that is all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Along with that, don't forget to push the notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post a new video. And I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, take care, and do let me know in the comment section again what you want to watch. Bye bye.